Hello students, let's learn about sets in Python. Sets are used to store multiple items of similar type in a single variable. If we want to store a group of data or collection of data into a single variable, then sets are used. We have two ways to create a set. We can store all the values of a set within curly brackets, or we can store the values using set function. So we have written here two ways. First way is with curly bracket. We have taken B set and equal to, then within curly brackets we are writing different collection of values. Raghav, 7,9900.80, three values we have written in B set. And in second step we have taken S set, and here we are using set function. So we are writing set function, set round bracket start, then within round brackets we have to start one more round bracket, and then we have to write group of data. We have taken two groups of data. 135 is in first group and Ram Sham is in second group. So you are noticing here that way with which we can create a set, and especially notice about the uses of bracket in set function. So print S will print all the values of the set S. And now we will learn how to create an empty set. We will always create an empty set using set function. We cannot create and we will not create a set using curly bracket. As you are seeing, in first step we have taken A equal to curly bracket. A equal to curly bracket, here it is not a set, it is a dictionary. When we will print using type function, then it will show us the data type of a variable. So type function always shows the data type of the given value. So, and next we again have taken small a variable equal to set function. Here A is a set. Here Python creates a set. So when we will print here A using type function, then we will get the output class set. So here type function shows the data type of a variable as a set, because always we create a set, create an empty set using set function. So sets cannot have duplicate entries. If we store duplicate entries, then it automatically takes it one time. So 10 will be stored only for one time. So when you will print A, we have taken A set. So same output as you are seeing in our in a red color, 10 within curly bracket, same output you will get. So sets may have group of numbers, group of strings and group of tuples, but set may not have group of lists. Sets are immutable. It means we cannot change the element of a set, but we can add or remove. we can add or remove an element from a set, but we cannot change any value of the set. So we have discussed what we can do with sets. And there is another point to be noticed about set. While storing an element in a set, its hash value is calculated. Hash value is calculated to determine where the data should be stored in the set. Hash value decides the position where the data will be stored. Hash value of an element will always be same whether we keep the value in the beginning or in the middle or at the end position in a set. So hash value will always remain same, and the hash value is the best way to assess the value from the set or from the collection of data. So you can learn about hashing technique in another session. We have already given a topic on hash, and please watch that video of hash techniques so that you can learn about the hash values very well. So now we learn how to print the data of a set. We will print the data of a set using for loop always. We cannot use while loop because, as we have seen in the case of string, there is indexing. In the case of string, index is given to every value of the string, and this index starts from 0. In string, first value is stored at 0th and next value is stored at 1 and so on. But in case of sets, index is not given. In case of sets, no index is given. So we cannot assess the values of set using index value. So we can use for loop. In for loop, we are writing for, then loop variable, then in, then set name. Then put colon, and after putting colon, press enter and write the commands you want to use with set. Here we are using print function. Here print function will print every value of the set one by one. So we have learned we cannot assess a set element using an index. So while loop should not be used. So that's all we have learned about a set. So thanks for this session and have a nice time, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.